Demand for our missing people. So many people were abducted. Some were found dead on the streets, in the bushes and many other places, but many others are still missing. We have hundreds of our brothers rotting in prisons. We are demanding for their unconditional release. But first and foremost, we want our missing people, and we want them now. We want Museveni to release our people. We want Nabbanja to give us Kibalama. Ladies and gentlemen, Nabbanja, the Prime Minister of Museveni's regime, knows where Kibalama is. Muchala Nabbanja, Prime Minister Museveni, yayimirira masoka kamera n'agamba Kibalama bamuyina bamukwata olw'okutta abapoliisi n'ebirala byayogera. Tetuwaliriza nti Kibalama bwe baba bamugulako omusango twagala tumulabe mu kooti. Kibalama bamubuzawo kati emyaka 4 n'abalala bangi nnyo. Tubazeeko 18 kubaze family 18 zesobola okuvaayo naye bangi nnyo abalala babatiisa. Twagala abantu baffe, Nabbanja twagala Kibalama, Museveni twagala abantu baffe. Damulira, we want our people as the People Power Movement, and we are still the People Power Movement. The National Unity Platform, however big you see it growing, is just the political wing, the electoral wing of the People Power Movement. We are People Power. And I want that to be very, very clear. We are bigger than just a political party. We are bigger than just the people that are here. We are bigger than just the leaders here. We are an idea, which idea is premised on empowering and, elevating the people of Uganda above anything else. Everything that is done should be in the interest of the people of Uganda. We are an idea, and we must never reduce that to any individual. We organize ourselves into a political party because that is the legal form that we decided to take, and that is our platform of organizing. We are the National Unity Platform. You can ignore the first word, national, and you can also ignore the last part, platform. But you must emphasize on the middle word, unity. This platform is to unite all of us that find ourselves in this territory called Uganda. And on that, for that matter, I want to send a very strong message to all those our brothers that have been lied to for a long time. In a special way, brothers and sisters from northern Uganda, we love you. I repeat, we love you. We respect you, we honor you, and we hold you in very high regard. Just like it was done in the Far East, in the West, and of course in the North. They've tried so much to project us as an idea in the Central. That's wrong. We are national. What happened today is supposed to show us that we are even bigger than just a region. I mean, we had more Easterners today than those from Uganda. We get more love from upcountry than we get from here. But of course, we know we have a lot of crazy love here. That's why Museveni never allows us to take a ride within Uganda. But to you, the people in Uganda, we are coming to you. My other message is going to go to those comrades that have been members of the National Unity Platform. Mwe ababadde ba member ba NUP, abiyita bakasangwawo oba abakadde. Kya kitiibwa nnyo mwe bapayoniya be twatandika nabo. Kizaamu amaanyi okulaba mukwano gwo gw'oludde ng'otambula naye nga mukyali wamu. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Naye era njagala okukozesa omukisa guno okubajjukiza nti memba eyajoyininga NUP emyaka 3 egiyise nga yakatandikibwawo, ne memba eyajoyinize wiiki ewedde, ne memba atujoyinize kati, naye agenda tujoyininga omwezi ogujja. All members are equal. All members are equal. You see me here, I have the same rights and same responsibility as you in the National Unity Platform. welcome everybody. Temberawo ne mugamba aanze ndi waawo addago wakaja kikyo ngamba. Buli omu yenkanankana ne munne. Obanga omwana ow'emyaka 18 yenkana ne Museveni obuvunaanyizibwa kubanga kituufu ekyo. Naawe bwotyo bw'oli nange. Noye yakaja mumwanirize. Make them feel loved, make them feel comfortable, make them feel like they have made the right choice to join the right team. But also, even where they're coming from, yes, there are problems. But it was a good idea. People bagitandikira ku idea nungi. Nze jjajja wange, ne taata wange, ne bakulu bange, nange fena twali mu DP. Paka bibaji osesepula okugituusa bwetuuse. FDC yatandikibwa ku ideas enungi. UPC was started on noble ideas, and so is the Uganda Federal Alliance and others. What has been happening is that Museveni has tried so much to deny Uganda's leadership. Everybody who rises and has a following, they either compromise them, bribe them, imprison them, or kill them. For me, they've done everything else apart from killing me. They've tried to compromise me, they failed. They tried to jail me, they failed. They will try the same to you. But if we stick together, friends, there's so much trust in us. Our people trust us. Abantu bafe batukiririzamu, abantu bafe batwesize. Naye obwesige obwo tulina okubegendereza ennyo. Omuntu akwagadde ennyo ye muntu asinga okukyawa ennyo. Tosobola kukyawa muntu nnyo nga tewamwagala nnyo. So abantu batwagadde nnyo, abantu batwesize nnyo, tulina obuvunaanyizibwa to live by that trust. We must never, ever, ever abuse that trust. We must never, ever, ever disappoint our people. To see people traveling all the way from the far north, the far east, the far west to join us is because they see hope in us. Please help us keep that hope alive. We cannot do it alone. The leadership of this party is just a small fraction, but we get the energy from you. So please, make sure you keep multiplying. By joining us, the work has just begun. We have a lot of work to do. What is our mission? We are not here to play. We are not here to... There are special problems in different areas. Brothers and sisters in northern Uganda, I've been seeing you grappling with so many problems, right from the brilliant genocide to the impoverishment, now the recent surge of the Balalo invasion, etc., etc. And I'll speak about that in the coming days. We must work together. Brothers in the east, in the west, and in the central here, we have similar problems. Our mission is very, very clear. We want to remove Museveni and his sick government from power. Because now we find ourselves as the elders of Uganda. Uganda is the second youngest, in fact now should be the youngest country in the world. Mwabali wanu mwena muli bazeyi. Jefe bazeyi ba Uganda. Because we have so many young people that are looking at us, looking for direction, looking for a solution. We must offer that solution. This country is rich, very rich. Even before tapping into the natural resources, the gold, the uranium, the oil, we are rich because we have taxes. We established this place using the minimal resources that we have to show you that once we have control over the resources of Uganda, over the taxpayers' money, we can transform this country in just a matter of few years. I told it to my brothers in South Africa recently. Bilioni bili buli lunaku. Naye njogera ku just ezibuzibwawo nga tezibuzibwawo abantu amwetolodde trillioni ze bilioni 10. Bilioni emwe erimu milioni 10. Kati ziba milioni meka. So sente zibibwa mu URA zokka ezibuzibwawo zisobola okufixinga enguudo zaffe zonna mu myaka 5. tulina kilomita emitwalo 21 ez'enguudo, naye buli luguudo mu Uganda luyinza okufaanana bwe luti mu myaka jasi 5. Buli luguudo nga tetukutte ku ssente endala tujjeyo jasi ezibbibwa zokka. Kiraga nti ne Museveni yennyini z'akozesa ate nazo zisobola okukola ebintu bingi. So bannange tuli mu buzibu. We are here because we're trying to get that fixed. We are not here to have fun. We are not here to waste time. And anybody that is joining us just to have fun, you're in a very wrong place. Oya tujoininga ngaze yes tulina bawala abalungi mu kibiina kyaffe naye bwa tujoinize ng'onoonye bufumbo oli mu kifo kikyamu. Naye atujoininga ate n'aleeta ne munne nga baze kuzimba Uganda empya. Mwe musinga waliwo omukyala gwendabye aze ne mwami we bannange mwe musaana na kirabo. So we have a mission, and that mission everybody has a role to play. While we are playing the role of leading you there, of putting together ideas and presenting them to you, each one of you has a role, brothers and sisters. Buli omu ku mmwe alina omulimu. We ask you to play the role of awakening all those people that you can get close to. Awaken them, sensitize them, and mobilize them. Muzukusa abantu mbalage ekituufu. Ensi eyongedde maaso ng'ezuukuka naye muzukusa abalala. Nze nga mbalagamba nti gwe gy'obeera beera Kyagulanyi waayo ozuukuse banno, obabuuse obabangula obwongo bamanye enjawulo wakati w'ekituufu n'ekikyamu, bamanye enjawulo wakati wa we tuli ne wa we tulina okuba era kyetaagisa ki. Njagala obbasaba bannange nti twesanze nga tulina omukisa, tulina tools nga social media. Social media eyambye nnyo ate namwe muyambe nnyo okutransforminga social media. Back then, TikTok was about nudity. It was about kuwemola. But today, TikTok is about entertainment. And I want to salute all the TikTokers that have taken it upon themselves to use that platform. But I want you to know that we, as People Power and National Unity Platform, we are not focusing on 2026. We are focusing on now. Njagala mwena abatujoinize mmanye nti omulamwa gwaffe si gwa kutunuulira just kalulu ka 2026 nedda tutunuulira kati. Era gwatujoinize ng'oyagala bakubeyo akafaananyi ogende weebakolidde 2026 naawe ozze mu kifo kikyamu. Tetwagala kuyuuya dikiteeta kubanga tumanyi tusobola omuggyako kati. Bwe tuba tetumuggyeko kati twagala tugenda okutuukayo eyo nga Museveni asesebbuse yenna. Ekyo tusobola kikola kati. Bwe bonazinga emikono ne mugamba mulize 2026 ebyaliwo 2021 temwabiraba. So buli wootambula making sure buli woosemberera omwaka ogwo ogusemberera bwonyenyamu mu Museveni ono yooli oba akyali munyenye. Yensonga lwaki tumwetoloola okwetoloola ensi yonna. Luli amawanga nga Amerika nga Bungereza gasirika busirisi. In fact Bungereza yali emwagira n'omuwagira kuba baŋŋaana n'ogenda e Bungereza naye kaakati gye ŋŋenda. Era bwe ŋŋenda era mbibagambe so that Museveni tuko naye ate tokuba bukubi ndulu naawe osobola okukola ekyamaanyi era kikole buli wamu. Akalulu ako kayamba ng'olwedde naffe tweyambye. Bwe tuba tetulina kye tukozeewo kyanjawulo tekajja kuyamba. Nkiddamu bwe tuba tetulina mulimu gwe twekozeemu gwa njawulo tekajja tuyamba. Brothers and sisters, if we have not fundamentally organized and prepared, then it would be a waste of time going into an election. But if we do what we are doing and even double or even triple our efforts, we will get there. Just like you've seen. He's trying to go around it because he cannot go into another election with us. He rigged 2021, but he left it bruised. He has not recovered from that election up to now. So don't just focus on an election. Focus on the work that we are supposed to do. As I conclude, I welcome all of you, brothers and sisters, NUP or not. but if their words and actions are pushing towards the end of the Museveni regime, that. But every person is that very soon we are going to go out there and start bringing people into the national unity platform, as we also prepare to roll out for structure formation and other things that we shall be doing. So, yazirwanako kulenge dao Comrade Bosa Juma, today we have received 291 people from Eastern region. We have received 109 people from Central region, from Uganda. We have received 57 people from Northern Uganda. And as you heard from Western Uganda, we will have a special function for
eyongedde okulagira ddala nti NUP eyongedde okusiba amakanda mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebyenjawulo. Kubanga olwaleero ebibinja ebizze wano okuva Mambuka, okuva mu Eastern, okuva mu Central wano n'ebitundu ebyenjawulo byongedde okulaga nti NUP eyongedde okusiba amakanda. Era twagala okwebaza obubaka bwonna obutuweereddwa pulezidenti waffe Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, kubanga tubadde obubaka okwongera okugamba nti NUP kukola yakugattako okugasekitola ku butuuzi. Twagala okwaniriza abantu bonna abawulira nti baagala kukisa enkyukakyuka ez'omugudu mu ggwanga batwegatteko okulaba eggwanga lirifuna enkyukakyuka. N'olwekyo bamembazi ba NUP ffenna tukubiriziddwa okwaniriza buli omu n'okumanya nti naye yazze olwaleero ayingire olwaleero naye alina omugabo munene nnyo. NUP n'ekyo esuubira bulungi nnyo tujja kutambuza eggwanga lyaffe nga butongera okubanja abantu baffe abasibiddwa abali makomera n'ababuziddwawo babeere nga gavumenti ebatuwa. Because I've received delegations from